How to log in to Instagram if you forgot your password. So if you want to log into your Instagram if you forgot your password, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook. And on your Facebook, you need to log in to your Facebook account, which is connected to your Instagram. Like you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Tap on your settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Go with the account center and make sure that your profiles are connected. Once you've connected your Facebook and your Instagram together, and once you've logged into your Facebook, now you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you don't need to enter your password or your email. It will automatically ask you to log in with your Facebook itself. But if it doesn't take you to that page, then you can open up your Facebook, go with your profile, and here on the bottom you will have Instagram option. Tap on Instagram and then open with Instagram, and it will be logged into your account. But if that doesn't log in, then you can go with the drop down, which is on the top right. And here on the bottom, you will have your Instagram profile. So tap on your Instagram profile and open with the Instagram and tap on confirm. And that's it. That's how you can log into your Instagram if you forgot your password without email and phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.